Hey, 30-minute marketers. Today's video, I want to talk about what I wish I knew before I started affiliate marketing. And the thing that I wish I knew has to do with how to build a business. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, be sure to click on the subscribe, ring the bell for notification of future videos. Also, check out the link in the description and in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And again, today's focus is on what I wish I knew with getting started at affiliate marketing. And that one thing is how to build a business. So I heard this from Stuart Walker over at Niche Hacks, and he said he heard it from Ryan Deiss. So from Ryan Deiss to Stuart Walker, to me, to you. It goes like this. You read a book from front to back, but you build a business from back to front. Now, we're going to hop over the computer and I'm going to show you what that means to me and what I think it should mean to you and how it can help you build your business. And that way you can get started building your own affiliate marketing business a lot faster than Ryan Deiss, Stuart Walker, and me. All right. We'll hop over to the computer and take a look at some things.
All right, when we're talking about building a business from back to front, what exactly are we talking about? Step one is going to be your end goal for your business. This is going to be what you want your business to look like. Are you looking for your business to be something that replaces your 9-to-5 job? Is it just a passion project, something you enjoy doing and you can earn money from? Do you want it to be completely passive and hands off eventually down the road? You need to ask yourself these kinds of questions, and you need to understand what the end goal is for your business. Is it to replace your 9-to-5? Is it to make $100,000 a year? Is it just to give you a little bit of extra money every month? Your goal, your decision. Step number one. All right, so when we talk about step number two, we're talking about your audience's ideal end result or their ideal end outcome. This starts, and has a lot to do with your niche selection. So go ahead and check the corner up here for a card on niche selection. But the general idea when you're talking about your audience's ideal end result or outcome is you want to find out and you want to think about what is your audience's biggest problem that they need you to solve? They need your help to solve. Is it because they don't have any money? Is it because their health is not so great? Are they lonely? Are they overweight? Are you going to help them find more free time so they can do the things that they enjoy? Your audience's ideal end result or outcome is step number two. Step number three is you're going to figure out what solution or product you are going to provide to help them achieve that end result that we saw in step number two. This is going to be based on your research and your analysis from step number two when you're talking about the solution that you're going to provide them. Is there already an existing solution? So in the case of being an affiliate marketer, you'll be looking for products that someone else has created that you're going to promote. But also in this step, you need to make sure that this product or solution fits your audience perfectly and it makes their life easier. Again, it solves the problem they have in step number two. Also, you need to be thinking about the solution or product that you're providing as an affiliate, that it's something that's high price or recurring, because you need to be able to make enough money off of this product to sustain your business. So as an affiliate marketer, it's going to be important that the commission is high. It's also a higher end product, and or it has recurring built into it, meaning you get paid every month that someone stays a member, say, of a membership site. And step number four in this is work backwards from the end goals back to the beginning. So now you know your end goals, you know your audience or your customer's end goals, and you know how to take your customer from the problem to what will be their perfect life or their perfect solution or better than they are now. However you can get them to the end goal of helping them, you want to work backwards from there back to the front so you can make sure that you built your business from the back to the front, solving each one of these problems and each one of these steps. So again, Start with your audience's problem and how you can transform that problem into a solution with your potential product or solution that you're an affiliate as. So then after that, you're going to be working backwards, mapping out all your email content, your lead magnet, your blog content, and what traffic sources are best for your niche, and what traffic source is best for your overall business and your business's goal. For example, free traffic is going to take more of your time. So if your goal is to have free time and not be involved every day in your business, you're going to want to make sure that you set up some type of paid traffic that you can just turn on and turn off as needed. So there you have it, the 4 steps on how you're going to work from back to front when building your business. Now let's take a look at the way this would look if we were to diagram it out from a funnel perspective. So what you're going to have is you're going to have your product. So that in this case would be an order page. This is where your audience is going to order the product or the solution that you've guided them to. Next, you're going to have your content. So this is the content that you're going to create to help them understand that the problem that they have is solved by the solution that is on your product order page or the affiliate product that you're promoting. Then you're going to have your opt-in page where you're going to be providing a lead magnet so you can capture their contact information so you can follow up with them and then constantly be redirecting them back to your content, back to your order page. And along the way, you're making sure that your order page, the product or the solution, is congruent with the content that you're providing on your blog or your website. And you're making sure that your opt-in or your lead magnet is congruent along the way. Then, of course, you're going to pick from a traffic source that works well with your audience. So, for example, Facebook to your opt-in would be one way to do it. Search would be another way to get people to opt in. Of course, you want to make sure that these are congruent. For example, if you're using Facebook groups or Facebook pages, because the niche works well on something like Facebook, or you're going to be doing paid traffic or SEO. So something like search with Google or Bing would be better here. But along the way, you can see here what you've done is you've worked from your traffic source. So your Facebook and your search is your traffic source. That leads to your opt-in or your lead magnet, which leads them to your content, which leads them to the order page or the product and or the solution that you provided. You can see how you've worked backwards through those 4 steps. Once you determine what you want your business to look like, you select your product, you build your content, you build your opt-in for your lead magnet to collect leads, and then you pick your traffic source based on your needs, based on what you've set up from front to back. So again, we have the 4 steps that you need to be paying attention to when we're talking about building your business from back to front. Step 1, your end goal for your business. How you want your business to be set up and how you want your business to operate. Step number 2, your audience's ideal end result or outcome. This is where you're thinking about what it is your audience is looking for. This is your niche. This is how you're going to help your audience, the type of content you're going to create. Step 3 is the solution or the product you provide. In the case of being an affiliate marketer, this is going to be a high quality product that solves your audience's problems. And then at step 4, it's simply to work backwards from the end goals to the beginning, working from how you want your business to look in step 1, how you're going to help your customer in step 2, and how you're going to generate your content in step 3, and the product that you're going to provide to your audience to solve their solution in step 3. A simple and effective 4-step process to build your business from back to front, thinking about your end goals as well as your customers' end goals.
So as you can see, I think you understand the concept now from the saying, you read a book from front to back, but you build a business from back to front as you walk through all the steps that need to be accomplished and how you need to build it and how you need to think about building it. Of course, you don't have to have everything done to get started, specifically on the content front. but you have to have an idea. And the reason you build from back to front is so that you know where your content, which is in the front, is leading people to the back. For example, as I showed you, high ticket affiliates, products, your own products, and of course, having a high ticket recurring product once you build that back end, and then leading people through the process. If all that made sense, go ahead and just leave me a heck yeah in the comments that it made sense, and give me a thumbs up if this content was helpful. And as always, click on the 30-minute timer here to subscribe. Check out the videos here on the end screen for more awesomeness, just like what I delivered here in this video for you. And that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.